This is a brand new 2013 Nissan Frontier. This truck has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 4.0-liter V6, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a limited slip differential, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, and hill descent control. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a rear window defroster, a CD player, a bed liner, a passenger side vanity mirror, front and rear floor mats, an anti-lock braking system, a full-size spare tire, and an auxiliary power outlet. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Every Sheehy Select used vehicle comes with a 3-day money-back guarantee, 60-day 2,000-mile warranty, passes a state inspection and our 175-point inspection system, and comes with a Carfax vehicle report.